Hi, hello friends, and today what we are going to see is generative adversarial networks, adversarial painting. In this, what you can do is you can just change all those things in this thing. For example, if you want to, let me take this. If I want, if I want a grass over here, I can just make it look naturally like grass. Or else, if I want a dome, big dome over here, you can just naturally make it a dome. And sky, naturally you can create sky. This is a really very fake photo, but it looks very natural. How to make a natural photo, fake photo, as nature as possible, this would be the heading. And also you can even change this, and you can change thing over here, and you can even change this to bricks, and also you can change this to clouds. Like that you can even make fake photos. And grass, door, so dome, so I want a dome over here, so I'm making a dome. So you can change everything. You can just play with this can for today long. So please try this at home, and I always subscribe my channel, like my channel. Thank you.